Hey guys, this is a Lexmark Pro915 series printer, all-in-one inkjet. We're going to show you how to replace ink cartridges. That basically works for any ink cartridges that are Lexmark 100 or Lexmark 150. And same thing for the printhead. We're going to show you how to remove the ink cartridges, replace them, and also how to replace or remove the printhead. So first, the simple step, it's the same process for all-in-one inkjets from Lexmark. We're just going to go to the home menu, and you don't have to be there, but you're going to open the front cover, the top cover, and you see cartridges right here on the left. This is easy access for you to replace the ink cartridges. So the screen already shows you instructions on how to remove everything from the new cartridges and so on, and then put them in here. So make sure you're going to press this tab back and just pull the ink cartridge out. On the new one, make sure you remove all the yellow and the plastic, like orange or yellow plastic pieces here, so you have airflow into the ink cartridge when it prints. So in order to put it back, you're going to put the closer side first in, like so, and then snap it in there on that side. And that same thing for each cartridge. To remove the print head, as you can see, we weren't able to do it from there, but I'll just show you in a minute. When the printer goes to the home page, or you take it to the home page, you're going to go to the ink icon here that shows the ink levels. You're going to select more options, and then you're going to select replace print head, and then it tells you to open the front cover again, and the print head or the carriage will slide over to the middle. That gives you better access of the whole thing here. So you're going to press this tab here. You're going to push it away like that, and you can remove the whole print head with all the ink cartridges. To put it back in, same process. Pretty much, if you pulled it out and then you bought a new one, or you cleaned this one, if you don't have a print head in there, this will just slide to the middle no matter what, because the printer is waiting for a print head. So you're just going to put it in like so, and then you can put the new cartridges in or use the used ones, but this is pretty much the simple replacement process for print head and ink. Thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.